Hello and welcome back to Billy Goat Tales, where we share stories that build better lives. I'm Rich Smothers, your guide through the Motivational Mindset Series. Today, we're facing a tough one. The sting of loss that hits when your big dreams just come crashing down. But what if those falls aren't the end? They're the step up for something stronger. It's the story of an entrepreneur named Jaxon, who lost 3 businesses before finding his real spot in life. His hands didn't just build companies. They rebuilt a life that fit, that gave him purpose. Sit back. Jaxon's road shows loss carves the path to purpose. So imagine a bustling mid-sized city, streets humming with coffee shops and co-workers spotted everywhere along the spotted trail of downtown. Jaxon grew up there, the kind of guy who saw problems as puzzles to solve. From his teens, he'd tinker, fixing neighbors' bicycles, coding apps just for fun. His dad, a steady factory worker, would nod and say, "Son, effort plants the seed, but roots take time to grip." Jaxon took that to heart, dreaming of his own empire someday. His first shot. His early 20s, a tech startup for a local delivery app. He poured his savings in, worked nights till his eyes burned. On launch day, crickets. Investors bailed. Servers crashed under zero traffic. Loss hit hard. Debts stacked. Confidence cracked. But Jaxon dusted it all off, told himself it was just a lesson. Persistence kicked in. He journaled the falls and the failures, turned them into fuel. Round 2. His mid-20s. A brick and mortar store selling eco-friendly gear. He leased space, stocked shelves, ran ads that ate cash. And foot traffic, it was spotty. A recession wave wiped margins clean. Doors closed after 18 months, leaving empty boxes and a quiet little storefront. Jaxon stared at the ceiling, wondering if he was built wrong, if he didn't have what it takes to win, to succeed. But love stepped up. His wife, Elena, a quiet force with a knack for people. She held his hand through the dark. "We're in this," she would say, "together." That community, even in 2, kept him from quitting cold. His third attempt, early 30s now, a consulting firm for small business marketing. Jaxon networked hard, landed a few clients, but burned out just caught up with him. He was spread thin. He missed deadlines. He lost some trust along the way. The final email, "We're going elsewhere," sealed the deal for him. Loss piled on. Bank account was in the red. His pride was bruised. Arguments with Elena echoing off the walls. He felt like a fraud, his rarity buried under rubble. Nights blurred into doubt. Maybe I'm not the builder type. Maybe I don't have what it takes to be an entrepreneur. Then, quiet as dawn, Elena moved. She'd always sketched ideas, coaching sessions for folks chasing dreams, blending art and advice into workshops that lit people up. One evening, over takeout, she shared her plan, a small studio for creative guidance. No fanfare, just her steady voice. I think this is it for me. Jaxon braced for envy, but instead, he found relief. He saw her shine, the way she connected hearts to hustle. Honor swelled, not jealousy, but real support. He cleared the table, grabbed a notebook. Let's map this out, Elena. What started as Elena's spark became their fire. Jaxon didn't chase the spotlight. He handled the backbone, scheduling, tech setups, even crunching numbers that freed her to create more. Turns out, his strength was the steady hand behind the scenes, the ops wizard turning chaos to flow. Emotional intelligence clicked in. He named his losses as teachers, not chains. Failing 3 times, it honed his grit for this exact role. Together, they scaled workshops that were packed. Online courses, they launched them like crazy. A team was hired. Clients raved, not just for the inspiration, but the seamless run that let magic happen. Years in, their studio was a powerhouse. Events drawing hundreds, books on the shelves, lives shifted. Jaxon mentors now, telling rookies, my flops weren't dead ends. They were detours to this place that we're standing at today. True wealth hit, not fat checks alone, but purpose locked in, side by side with his wife, Elena. Jaxon's story mirrors ours when plans shatter. Loss hurts, but it's not the final word, guys. Keep pushing forward. Keep pushing through the noise. Each failed step isn't happening to you, it's happening for you. Build good habits and allow them to stick. Action after aches turns grief to gain. And that's the quiet nudge inside that you need. Trust it, hear it. It's the bigger blueprint. All right, guys, if you like the story, please like and subscribe. We love you here at Billy Goat Tales. Share this out. We're trying to build our small little boutique channel with inspiration, love, and joy. We'll see you next time on Billy Goat Tales.